Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Tuesday, April 29th, which means we're open until 7 p.m. as we are every single Tuesday. So if you are part of the working world and you can't get in until a little later, we are open for you today. Now today I have a beautiful, very springy collection for you. This is called Spring Bling. Butterflies, flowers, mushrooms, and more. Bright and springy colors with beautifully styled motifs. This collection brings a lot of detail and vibrancy. And I have a second panel to share with you too. This one is really fun. This could be, if I can show it to you, this could be really, really fun as the centers of squares, maybe for a young girl or a tween girl quilt. We don't get a lot of things that are suitable for that age group. So this is a really fun group, I think. And then we have 3 blenders that were bought to go with the collection. So we've got this great pink and orange, and then this nice tealy green. And as you can see, both of these panels work perfectly with those fabrics. So that is available in the shop now. And then I have a pre-order to share with you. This is the Vibrant Night Quilt. Practice your advanced quilting skills for this vivid quilt featuring Tula Pink's fall collection gray work. This is some of the pictures of the fall collection that's going to be coming out. Techniques include foundation paper piecing, template piecing, curves, Y-seams, and fussy cutting. So this is not going to be a weekend project. The kit includes 27 yards of fabric in gray work and Tula's True Colors, and the quilt pattern booklet with foundation paper pieces and templates. I'll let you look at that again. The finished size is approximately 85 inches square, and we are currently taking pre-orders for this. So pre-orders will be ending on May 27th, and we hope to receive those kits in October or November of this year. So if you're interested in that, we are only going to order them via pre-order. So if you don't get in by May, we will not have one for you when they arrive in October, November. The collection, the gray work collection that is coming out this fall, is beautiful, and I can't wait to get some of it myself. So that's what we have for you today from the shop. Join us tomorrow for more of what's new in the shop and online. Have a great afternoon. Bye.